Good afternoon. Could you please state your name and spell both your first and last name for the record?
Legally, it's Pamela, but I go by Pam Sidwell.
Ms. Sidwell, did you know a person by the name of Krista Halderson?
I did.
In what capacity did you know her?
She was my neighbor. She was a coworker for 3 years at a seasonal employer in DeForest. She was a walking buddy, and she was a very good friend.
So you live in the Oak Springs neighborhood?
Yes.
Did you know the rest of the family? Did you know Chandler Halderson and Bart Halderson?
I did.
Again, as a neighbor?
I knew Bart, pretty well. We did things, both Bart and Krista and my husband and I did things together. I knew Chandler not so well. I knew of him. I saw him come into work once in a while, and he actually did a few odd jobs for my mother.
And towards the end of June, beginning of July, did you become aware of a growing medical concern that Krista may have had for Chandler?
Both her and Bart stopped over at our place on, I believe it was Sunday, the 27th, and they said he had fell down the steps and had a concussion. And I said, did he go to the doctor? And she said, yes.
Did Krista reach out to you any further about Chandler's concussion?
Other than it was either Monday or Tuesday of that following week, she texted me and asked me if I'd be around because she was going to be at work and Bart was going to be at the dentist on Wednesday morning. And just in case he had any issues that he could call.
And that was Wednesday, June 30th,
Right.
2021.
Yes.
And what did you answer?
I said, sure.
This is a note. I see the name Pam on the note and a phone number. Is that in fact your phone number or your phone number as it was in June of 2021?
No, my phone number's
So it's one digit off.
right.
Okay. But otherwise that information appears accurate.
Right.
Does your husband have the number 1 or 2 digits off of yours?
No, we actually have the same house address. Both cell phone numbers end in 7036 and our home number is 7036.
But Krista giving you a heads up about the 30th that Chandler was going to be by himself.
Yes,
You were kind of on call.
yes.
At any point in time on the 30th, anytime before, after, did Krista reach out to you and ask you to, hey, be available during the July 4th weekend for Chandler?
No,
Did Krista ever talk to you about plans to go to the cabin over the July 4th weekend?
no.
And I'm going to show you what has been marked as Exhibit 36. And the last text on there, is that the text that Krista sent you?
I don't have my reading glasses.
Oh, that's okay. Hi, would it be okay to give your telephone number to Chandler tomorrow as a backup in case of an emergency? Does that appear to be accurate, what I read?
Yes,
Does it sound right that that was sent on June 29th of 2021 at 9:26 p.m.? Is that a yes?
yes.
If Krista would have went to the cabin, would it be unlike her to not have somebody check in on Chandler considering his medical condition?
Your Honor, objection calls for speculation.
I'll rephrase. Generally speaking, if Krista had a concern or was going to be out of town, did she try to let her friends and family know?
Yes,
And that was part of habit for her.
yes.
I'm going to move Exhibit 36 into evidence, but not publish it.
Any objection?
No objection.
It is received.
Ms. Sidwell, how did you find out that Bart and Krista were missing?
I received a few phone calls, cell phone calls, and I wasn't answering it because I didn't recognize the number. And when I did look at it, I saw there was a voicemail. It was from Deputy Nelson, I believe.
Did Chandler reach out to you at all for assistance during the July 4th weekend?
No,
At any point, did he reach out to you to tell you his parents were missing?
no.
No further questions.
Cross-examination.
No, thank you.
May this witness be excused and released?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, ma'am.